Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And today, once again, the markets closed flat. Yesterday also, the markets closed flat, and today also, markets closed flat. That is only if you don't see the intraday price action. Both yesterday as well as today, the markets were just too volatile, and the volatility was so high that ADANI Enterprise, yesterday morning it was trading 3000 plus, and today it has come down to 1500. A 50% fall in just two trading sessions. So you can imagine the other counters. And even the Bank Nifty was very hugely volatile. I don't know what happened. Yesterday the ICICI Bank was in green, HDFC Bank was in green, but US ADR were down more than 3%. Both ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank. So that created some panic today morning, and today the morning market fell, and the fall was so severe, then again recovered, again fell, again recovered. It was going all over the places. Surprisingly, today also both FIIs and DIIs were net buyers. FIIs have bought for about 1800 crores and DIIs have bought for about 500 crore. No need to say the maximum stress to the market came from ADANI group of stocks, and ADANI Enterprise withdraw its FPO, and that is considered to be very, very big negative. And that shows that they themselves are not confident that the share price will come back to 3200. So they do not want the FPO subscribers to be unhappy, so that's why they return the money. So when they themselves have no confidence, so why people want to buy the shares? So the things are really, I would say, getting very, very nasty for ADANI group of stocks. Yesterday, the main reason why ADANI fell nearly 25-30%, ADANI Enterprise, was because Credit Suisse stopped accepting ADANI bonds as a collateral. And today is double whammy. FPO withdrawal plus today Citibank has announced that it will not accept ADANI bonds as a collateral. So if one by one banks, they do not want to consider this as a collateral, most of the people, ultra HNI clients, they park their money in bonds, give that bonds to the bank as a collateral for margin trading, even in US. So that is going to be a big headache, and so that will give how to say, it will be a more crisis for this ADANI group. So anyway, today morning also I told, until this ADANI saga is over, things stabilize, the markets are likely to be very hugely volatile, and today on top of which is a weekly expiry, that also added fuel to the fire. So the markets were so hugely volatile, going up, coming down, going up, coming down multiple times. So tomorrow, State Bank of India and Bank of Baroda will be in focus. State Bank of India will be declaring results during market hours, while Bank of Baroda will be declaring the results after the market hours. And today, the Bank Nifty has outperformed Nifty, but that is surprising despite HDFC Bank falling. HDFC Bank has fallen because HDFC results were not good. So HDFC also fell. So despite that, the support has come from ICICI Bank and other PSU banks. And surprisingly, metal index has lost today. That was the worst performer. So looking at the open interest, 2 days of consolidation, and positive global cues, negative local cues. So the people come to a situation, so markets may not be making a big move on either side. So they are taking 17,600 short straddle for February month expiry, not a weekly expiry. So weekly also, I think 18,000 call option added a significant open interest. Highest open interest is at 18,500. That's probably because, the people who are selling 18,000 call option, they are buying the 18,500 call option. So that along with the normal buyer, so the volume increases there. So I think now people have come to a stage where, they're expecting market, not going anywhere, shuttling between 17,050 on the downside, 18,000 on the upside. And however, the 17,800 itself is a resistance, but because of budget rally, so it crossed that level, but now it has come back below that. And one good thing I would say, even before the budget I said, if the budget is good, the market's likely to continue to rise. And if the budget is not good, the markets may continue to fall. Some kind of a trend may happen. So that trend is supposed to be on the higher side because, the budget is good. Don't ask me what is good in the budget. So there is no bad thing in the budget. So no bad is considered as good. There was no tinkering of long-term capital gain tax, So there was nothing specific negative for, just like increase in STT or something like that. So no negatives for stock market. So that itself is a positive thing. So, but that is not happening just because of these ADANI issues. So these ADANI stocks will have to stop falling, will have to stabilize at some point. Only then we can expect market to recover. And few stocks are very disappointing. One is Bajaj Finance. It fell so much and came out with very good results. And people all upgraded to 8,000, 8,200 and now again started falling. I think that has something to do with some insurance also. I think Bajaj also they have some insurance. So I do not know. Other than that, the insurance companies like HDFC Life has been doing very, very badly. So I think the budget hangover is still there for insurance companies. But the most surprising, despite increase in the tobacco taxes, ITC was the best performer in the last two trading sessions. So it has shot up nearly 40-50 rupees from yesterday's low to today's high. So right now, I think the only people who are happy are the option sellers, those who have sold far out of the money call and put. I think they are making money. Other than that, the markets are, lackluster. And probably, next week, we can expect something. But anyway, tomorrow also is going to be like this only because, tomorrow US jobs data. So ahead of US jobs data, people will not like to carry heavy positions. We can expect some kind of a sideways move tomorrow also. And maybe next week some trending may happen. So as and when it happens, we will see. For the time being, it looks like consolidation to continue. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.